Yehlukene imbono eNingizimu Afrika ngodaba lencwadi ye-ICC eseyiphenduke undabuzekwayo emaqenjini ezombusazwe njengoba inkantolo yoMhlaba yamacala ubugebengu isigunyaze ukuthi kuboshwe uVladmir Putin. Amehlo azobe ebheke iNingizimu Afrika njengoba ilungiselela umhlangano wamazwe angaphansi kweBRICS nokulindeleke ukuthi uMengameli waseRussia abe ingxenye yawo kulonyaka.
The ICC's nonsensical warrant against President Putin, it's immaterial. It cannot be, it has no binding effect on us. The IEC did not go for people who killed the people of Yugoslavia, the Americans. They did not go for the people of America who killed the Iraqis people.
The African National Congress nayo ilibukela eduzane udaba lwencwadi ye-ICC noMengameli Putin.
The ANC has taken note of the ICC's decision on Russian President Vladmir Putin and is engaging its deployees and government to gain an in-depth understanding about the implications of this route taken by the court.
Freedom fighters inomuzwa ukuthi lenkantolo yoMhlaba isetshenziswa njengethuluzi inhlangano iNATO.
The ICC first is very inconsistent in terms of its application of so-called justice. There have been so many illegal wars which have been caused and led by the NATO-aligned countries.
I-Freedom Front Plus yona inombono owehlukile ngencwadi yokuboshwa kaMengameli waseRussia.
The South African government should, as a member state of the ICC, respect the decision by the ICC and not allow President Vladimir Putin to visit South Africa, and if he does, he should be arrested.
AmaRussia asamile kwelokuthi noma ngabe ubani ozobopha uPutin uyobe eseyiphakile impi.